style. Did your friends just come and hang out?
Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I get this frizzy hair nice and smooth. I have discovered this product and it's amazing. This is the Color Wow Pop End Lock with a high gloss finish. It almost has these like little, not sparkles, but just like such a sheen in your hair. So I already put that in, and I also like to put it in after it's dry, so I do both. It has a heat protector, and I tried it just on a whim because I have so much trouble now that my hair is gray, keeping that like really pretty shiny color in my hair, and this reflects the light. So another thing that I use is a, sorry for all the hair in here, is a blow dry brush. I think this one is sold out right now, but I'm actually going to buy another one. I will link it down below. It's the same brand, the Conair Infinity Pro, and I want to make sure if this ever dies that I have a backup. So I will just show you how simple this is with two products, the Color Wow and the blow dry brush. So you turn it on here. I like to put it on high, and then it's going to be making a noise, so I'm not really going to be able to talk to you, but what I'm going to do is put it on high, start at the root, work my way out, roll it in, and then I'm going to hit the cool blast to set it. That's what gives you that sleek set to your hair. So I've got it on high.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light.
Look at the difference. I could even go over this again, and I probably will at the end, but look how frizzy the hair is before and after. It's just so smooth, and I just let it set in that cool, and like I said, so my hair is super thick, so I will definitely go over this again once I finish my whole head. Just go back and give it a quick touch up.
When the sky is falling down and the clouds get in your eyes, a touchdown. When all you need is some support, I'll make sure to hold the fort. I'll be a touchdown. Back to back, I got you and you got me. Dream team, stick together and make history. Golden wonderland, when we're hand in hand, our sisterhood turns bad into good. Golden wonderland, when we take the stand, our sisterhood helps the common good. We are stronger, getting stronger every day. We are braver, getting braver in every way. We're getting stronger,
I'm addicted to the love that you're giving. Every minute, every day I've been craving. I don't wanna get you out of my system, no, 'cause I like the way it feels when you touch me. You got me good. You got me good. Oh, babe, all I'm thinking about is when you come around. 'Cause you got me. Play the game just like a pro, didn't stand a chance. You took it all, yeah, you won by a landslide. Oh, babe, left your trademark on my cheek, now I'm all yours. Got me calling you up at night just to hear your voice. You got me good. You got me good. Yeah, all I'm thinking about is when you come around. Tell me your heart, is it only me? Is it only me you've got on that call? 'Cause I need to know, baby. Yeah, I gotta know right now. Hey, hey. So good, babe. So good, babe. So good, so good, so good, it hurts. So good, babe, so good, babe. You got me good. You got me good. Oh, baby, all I'm thinking about is when you come around. 'Cause you got me good.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah. With you, there are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. I can feel that you're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head.
Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have ever tried this combo. This will help smooth out any hair type. I used to use this when I had a lot shorter hair and it worked great, but now using the Color Wow, oh my gosh, like whole other level.
'Cause you're the end of the rainbow, and the music was so loud. Didn't catch your name over this crowd.
Bye guys.